Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you how to navigate PayPal to get your PayPal statements. I have other videos where I kind of talk through navigating PayPal. As I go to reconcile my own books, I have difficulty finding the statement, which means that other people may too. I've logged into my work PayPal. I'm going to go to Activity across the top of my screen, and then I'll go to Reports on the right-hand side. When I do this, it takes me to the spot for my favorites. I don't have any favorites. It took me quite a bit of clicking to figure out that I need to click on the Payments tab, and then I can click on the Statements, and now I can request my PDF statements. So for me, I'm just going to request the ones I haven't requested yet. Usually it's very, very quick to get your statements. So what I really need to do is get my bookkeeping caught up. It's cobbler's shoes over here. What I wanted to do was show you how to get to your statements, just in case that you're in the same boat and you're like, where did my statements go? Hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any questions or any ideas for other videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks and have a great day.